Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditi and I hope you all are doing great. I really want to apologize for my bad face because right now I don't have anything on my face. I just washed my face. It's absolutely bare. I did not even moisturize my face. I've just come out from washing my face. So basically this video is about for all of you who already know it, well and good, but for those of you who don't know it, what does this look like to you? A weapon? Almost a weapon. Actually, guys, this is a face razor. Basically, this is a razor for women, and even women shave their faces, right? So guys, these facial razors have become very trendy these days, and I thought might as well make a video on this because a lot of you have a lot of questions whether how do you do it and whether it is safe to do, whether it is painful. Honestly, before I tried it, even for me it was scary because of course we are experimenting with our face, and even so I forgot what I had to say. Sorry. Basically, how do we use this, guys? It is very important for you to remove the cap first, like obviously. So basically I don't have any moisturizer on my face. A few of you can like as per your skin, some of you have dry, some of you have oily skin. Depending upon your skin, you can either dry shave your face or like moisturize it. So I'm just gonna be using a face serum which is by Nykaa. This is a rose hip oil. So I'm gonna be applying it all over my face so that I don't scratch my face with the razor, because I have already tried it, so I know what works for me. And so basically if you have dry skin, use a moisturizer. What I'm gonna do is tie my hair, so in case if I look even more terrible than before but after tying my hair, just don't look, just listen to me. So basically I'm just gonna like moisturize my face. So I have my mirror there, so I'm just looking over there again and again. So yeah, I'm not so used to doing things on my phone camera. Just in case you love the serum, you can always buy it on Nykaa or like Amazon. I don't know about Amazon because sometimes I don't trust Amazon with makeup products. No offense, just ignore what I said, just like ignore it. Basically guys, how to use the razor. Moving on, I'm just gonna come closer so you can see some hair here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can definitely see these. I'm not gonna recommend you to do this. I'll first show you how you do it on your face. You can see some hair over here. So what I'm gonna do is keep my razor here, not too deep, and like I'm not even looking at it right now because I have to show it to you guys. Do you see? Now I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you saw it already, but I'm looking for a tissue paper. Just hold on. So guys, I got a tissue paper and I'm gonna be showing it to you guys. The hair that came off my face with all the dirt. Yeah, gross. So guys, this is the hair that has come out of my face, and this is the area that I have shaved with this. And I'll do it on this side. You can actually see it because like I can totally see it. Oh damn, oh damn. For those of you who want to remove this hair also, it's very easy, but I'm preferring to keep it. you guys can actually see it. There's a very satisfying sound. Just ignore it. Just showing you different places, like you should not go deep into your skin because you're gonna cut yourself. Just penetrate it a little bit. Don't get too inspired if you're not sure about it, because but then it's very easy, just this I'm not going to be doing on the camera. Hi again guys, so I've changed my position. I'm sitting in front of my mirror right now so that I get a better view and I can shave better for you guys and for myself, that don't cut my face basically. So I'm going to be removing my upper lip. You can see there's hair over here. I'm going to be removing that. I don't even know if there is a need for you to do this, but I prefer doing it. See my mooch. Yeah. Hi guys, here I am again, shaved off with unwanted hair. Like I showed you guys. Do I look like a chili bhindi to you? Because that was planned. No, never mind guys. So my review about the facial shavers, or some of you might call it epilators, but I don't call them epilators because they're not actually. So yeah, if you guys want to know if I recommend that to you, I definitely do, because of course you can see the results. My face looks clear as crystal, and there's no unwanted hair on my face, and it was very easy for me to remove all the hair, and of course the unwanted also the dead skin cells and the layer that was formed over my face, even by staying at home all day quarantine. But yeah, anyways, so basically guys, if you want to try the razor, I think you should go for it. Intervals in which you should do it, for me, once in 15 days works for me, depending upon your facial hair growth and whatever hair growth. It's of course it's proportional to that. Basically mine grows a little faster, but I let it grow a little more for me to be able to remove something, because obviously it's otherwise no use. Just anyways, or you guys can try once a month, depending on you and your hair growth. My hair's become frizzy. Yeah, so now I'm gonna be giving you a very nice tip. So guys, for some of you who must be feeling a little inflammation over your skin, apply ice. It really helps. It's gonna help your skin to calm down, and inflammation is gonna go. The redness, if some of you might experience, most of you might not, because I don't experience any side effect after shaving my hair off my face. So I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't either. If for some of you who might feel it's itchy or it's burning, just apply ice and you'll do great. Okay guys, that's about it, and if you have any more questions about this, then do let me know in the comment section, and
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken.
Bye.